Hi guys, welcome to Edufy. Today we are here with the next part of our series, that is learning MCQs, learning history through MCQs, and it is part 16 of the series. Now, from today onwards, we are starting with the modern history. We have covered ancient history, medieval history questions. Now we are entering into the modern history domain. So, in the modern history, first topic is arrival of Europeans. In that, let us start with the question. Question number 1, who was the first European to reach India by sea? So it was Vasco da Gama in 1498. Next question, Vasco da Gama reached India in 1498 at which of the following places? So he reached in the Calicut region. Coming to the next question, ruler of Calicut who received Vasco da Gama was known as Zamorin. So Zamorin received Vasco da Gama. Next, who was the first Portuguese viceroy of India? So it was your Francisco de Almeida. He was the first Portuguese viceroy in India. Coming to the next question, that is, the Portuguese are known for their strength in the trade and the navy. So you will say that Portuguese blue water policy is associated with Vasco da Gama, Francisco de Almeida, Alfonso de Albuquerque, or Pedro Cabral. So here your answer is blue water policy is known or famous for Francisco Almeida. Okay. Coming to the next question, Portuguese system of controlling maritime trade through passes was called. It was called Cartax's system. Okay, see Cartax's system. Coming to the next question, Goa was captured by Portuguese in 1510 from the Sultanate Bijapur ruler. So it is answer is Bijapur Sultanate. To the next question, which Portuguese governor followed a policy of religious tolerance and encouraged intermarriage so that they assemble into the Indian society? So it was your Alfonso de Albuquerque. So answer is C. Next question, the first English ship to reach India was Hector. The name of the ship was Hector. Next question, English East India Company was established in which year? It was 1600. English East India Company was established and the Queen granted the charter to trade with East Indies. Next, another question, Battle of Swally Hole, or we called Battle of Swally 1612, was fought between English and Dutch, English and French, English and Portuguese. So it was fought between English and Portuguese. So it was the end of English defeated. Finally, English defeated Portuguese from the Indian subcontinent. So Battle of Solihull is famous for that. Next question. Which Mughal emperor granted trading rights to the English East India Company in 1613? It was Jahangir. Next, Dutch East India Company was established in 1602. Answer is C, 1602. The first Dutch factory in India was established at Pulicat. Pulicat is a place in Andhra Pradesh. Now next question. The French East India Company was established in 1664. So French are the last to come and first to go also from India. So you have to learn this about French. Next, the first French factory in India was set up at Surat. So Surat was most prominent trade location at that time, and first English factory, first French factory, both were established at Surat. Next, which European power was last to establish trading centers in India? So answer is French. As I told you, French were the power who came last in India and first to go also. Next, which European power introduced printing press in India? It was Portuguese. By that time in Portugal, you know, the Gutenberg press was already there. So it was C, Portuguese. Next question. The headquarter of Portuguese power in India was at. So where was it headquarter? Its headquarter was in Goa. Finally, you will see in present day also we have lot of influence of Portuguese culture in Goa. Next question. The primary motive behind the early European entry into India was political domination, religious conversion, trade and profit, territorial expansion. The answer is C. First time they came for the trade purposes only, the trade and profit. So that was all. This is the introduction of the modern history with the arrival of Europeans. So we will cover more questions. But in this series, this is all. Thank you very much.